Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you think you're completely safe because you use WhatsApp, I've got some news for you. You're not as protected as you might believe. Sure, WhatsApp claims your messages are end-to-end encrypted, but a few default settings inside the app can quietly compromise your privacy, or even let someone spy on your chats. And you might never even realize it's happening. Every day, people lose control of their WhatsApp accounts without understanding exactly how it happened. So stick with me till the end, because just a few quick changes can make a world of difference in keeping your account secure. Linked devices, the silent spy. You'd be surprised how fast someone can hijack your WhatsApp. All it takes is leaving your phone unlocked for a few seconds. And they can open WhatsApp web or link your account to another phone or computer. Once they do that, they can read your chats, see your media, and even message your contacts pretending to be you. Here's what to do. Tap the three dots top right. Choose Linked Devices. There you'll see every device connected to your account. If you spot something like Windows or Chrome and you never used it, that's suspicious. Also, check the last active time. If it doesn't match your usage, someone else could be logged in. Select any unknown device and select Remove Device. Profile photo. More revealing than you think. Your WhatsApp profile photo can say a lot about you, sometimes more than you realize. Anyone who has your number, even a stranger or spam contact, can save your photo and run a reverse image search online. From there, they can often connect it to your Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn profiles that might reveal your full name, workplace, city, hobbies, or even family members, all without you ever giving them permission. This kind of exposure can lead to identity theft, stalking, or targeted scams, especially if your social media is public. Here's how to protect yourself. Go to Settings, Privacy, Profile Photo. Change visibility from Everyone to My Contacts, or Nobody if you prefer complete privacy. And one more smart move, avoid using the same photo you use on your other social media accounts. Instead, use a different picture that doesn't easily connect back to your public profiles. A few quick taps, and you instantly reduce how much strangers can find out about you just from one photo. Groups and calls. Stop random invites. Leaving your group settings open to everyone is like leaving your front door unlocked. It gives spammers and scammers an open invitation. You can easily get added to random groups filled with fake ads, crypto scams, giveaway spam, or phishing links. When that happens, your name and phone number instantly become visible to hundreds of strangers, making you an easy target for spam messages or fraud attempts. Here's how to stop it. Go to Settings, Privacy, Groups. Change from Everyone to My Contacts or My Contacts, except if you want to block specific people from adding you. After you enable this, only people you've saved in your contacts will be able to add you to groups directly. Anyone else will have to send you an invite link first, which you can accept or decline, giving you full control over which groups you join. This simple tweak keeps your number private, your inbox clean, and your account safe from unwanted spam and shady links. App lock, the extra shield nobody talks about. Even if someone manages to get their hands on your phone, that doesn't mean they should have access to your chats. WhatsApp actually gives you a built-in layer of protection most people don't even bother to turn on. App lock, it works just like locking your phone, but specifically for WhatsApp. That means even if someone picks up your unlocked phone, they'll still need your fingerprint or face scan to open the app. Here's how to turn it on. Go to Settings, Privacy, App lock. Enable fingerprint lock or face unlock, depending on your phone. You can also choose how quickly WhatsApp locks. Instantly, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes of inactivity. Once it's on, your chats are protected even if your phone isn't. Think of it as adding a vault door inside your phone. One extra security wall that keeps nosy people, friends, or even strangers out of your private messages. Because your phone being unlocked shouldn't mean your privacy is too. Two-step verification, your final line of defense. Even if someone gets your SIM card or tries to move your WhatsApp to another phone, two-step verification keeps your account safe. It adds an extra security layer beyond the normal verification code WhatsApp sends by SMS. Here's how to turn it on. Go to Settings. Account. Two-step verification, tap Enable. Create a 6-digit PIN. Choose something only you can remember. Optionally, add your email address so you can reset your PIN if you forget it. Once enabled, no one can verify your number on another device without that PIN, even if they somehow get your code or SIM. Keep it secret, keep it safe, and you've just added the strongest possible lock to your WhatsApp account. By adjusting these few settings from linked devices and profile photo privacy to group privacy, app lock, and two-step verification, you've already closed nearly 80% of the loopholes scammers and snoopers rely on every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future updates. All right, see you in the next one.